Hi guys, welcome to Garden Up Beautiful Life. This is Torenia plant, which is also called as Wishbone. In this video, I would be telling you about the plant care of this beautiful flowering plant. So if you talk about the sunlight first, this is a plant which grows best in partial shade. And sunlight is a major factor which affects the growth and the flowering of Torenia. So you have to make sure that where you get around 2 to 3 hours of sunlight every day, and then the partial shade. So if you talk about soil of Torenia requires a very well drained, moist and fertile soil. If you want to plant them on flower beds, still the soil and mix a generous amount of compost. And you can even mix a general purpose fertilizer too. So the ideal range of pH is 5.6 to 7.5, but it might also tolerate higher or slower levels of pH. So that is about soil. So if we talk about now the water, so Torenia is required mostly very moist soil. So regular watering is one of the most aspect of Torenia. Avoid overwatering so that the soil gets soggy and it might cause a root rot. So plants growing in containers require frequent watering when compared to those growing on the ground. So you have to make sure that you give water to the Torenia plant regularly, and then only it will grow very well, otherwise it will have a very stunted growth. So if you talk about the fertilizer, you can fertilize this plant with the general fertilizer once a month. Just sprinkle the fertilizer granules around the plant. Just leave a gap of at least 3 inches from its base. And if you talk about the disease, it is quite disease resistant plant, but sometimes it develops the fungal infections. Otherwise it's a very beautiful plant to keep at home. You must keep this plant, and apart from that, I would be again putting some plant care and tips about this plant. Then please subscribe to my channel.